Tandoori cooking, a cornerstone of Indian cuisine, centers on the tandoor, a clay oven with origins dating back to the Indus Valley, 2500 BCE. The tandoor was refined and became integral to Indian food culture during the Mughal era, especially in Punjab, where it was used to roast meats and bake naan. Tandoori dishes are known for their smoky flavors and seared crusts, created by cooking meats, paneer, and breads in intense heat. The secret to tandoori flavor lies in its marinade, typically yogurt-based with spices like cumin, coriander, and cayenne, that tenderizes and infuses the food. Regional variations include the bold and vibrant Punjabi style, the subtle Awadhi with saffron and rosewater, and the hearty Rajasthani with fiery chilies. Tandoori cooking is health-conscious, using minimal oil, and is adaptable to vegetarian and gluten-free diets. It's traditionally served with cooling raita, tangy chutneys, and onion salad. To replicate the smoky flavor at home, the Dungar method, using charcoal and ghee, works wonders. Beyond classic chicken and naan, explore tandoori prawns, mushrooms, or sweet potatoes and pair them with lacha paratha or misi roti. Tandoori cooking is deeply embedded in cultural traditions, fostering a sense of community and connection during family gatherings and festivals. It celebrates not just food, but the joy of sharing and honoring heritage, making tandoori cuisine a timeless experience. The vibrant spices and cultural significance continue to influence kitchens worldwide, from street food vendors to fine dining. Tandoor ki khushboo se pani.